Welcome back to Health Hustle Academy, where we help you heal from the inside out and hustle for long-term health. Today's topic is one of the most powerful and overlooked forms of movement: walking. Yes, walking. We're going to break down why you're literally designed to do it, how it changes your body and brain, and how to use walking as a tool for better health. Let's start here. Walking is not just exercise, it's a human default. Your body is engineered to move. Your joints absorb shock while walking. Your spine aligns and decompresses. Your muscles contract rhythmically. Your brain sharpens with forward movement. In fact, some scientists call walking neurobiological nourishment. It boosts circulation, oxygen flow, and even emotional regulation. Just 20 to 30 minutes of walking per day can give you lower blood pressure, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced belly fat, boosted mood and energy, better sleep and digestion, improved joint lubrication and mobility. It also lowers cortisol, making it perfect for stress and fat loss. Walking up and down stairs adds a resistance and intensity boost. Walking upstairs increases heart rate faster, builds glutes, hamstrings, calves. Walking downstairs builds eccentric strength, muscle control while lowering. Often harder on the knees, be mindful. Combo strategy: walk flat for endurance, stairs for strength bursts. Here's how to make walking a powerful daily ritual. Walk first thing in the morning for circadian rhythm boost. Walk after meals for blood sugar and digestion. Use 5 to 10 minute movement breaks every hour. Tools you need: fitness tracker, walking shoes, walking apps, or guided podcasts. You don't need fancy gear or crazy workouts. You just need to walk daily, consistently, and intentionally. Because walking isn't just movement, it's medicine your body expects. Visit healthhustleacademy.com for tools to heal inside out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our walking gear and recovery supplements. Stay moving, stay healing, stay hustling.